This is a 2012 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 4.6-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, a double wishbone independent front suspension, the pre-safe collision mitigation system, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, interior wood trim accents, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, rear impact crumple zones, a rear window windshield wiper, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Dallas Roadster is located at 404 North Central Expressway in Richardson. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.